Hello everyone and welcome on this new extended deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also my friends, a kind reminder that Xtreme Trader is providing you a forex signals. They are not financial advice, so there is always a possibility that any of these signals might fail. So please take any signal wisely and consider that they might actually fail. Because, by the way guys, thank you for the good comments and very friendly and lovely comments I can see here on YouTube. I love this community, but it doesn't mean of course that we can ignore the other comments. Some of them says that they have actually lost a lot of money because of my signal. I mean, come on, where have you been when the signals made profits? You only comment when the signal failed. I mean, it's normal. I understand these people, but they have to be careful and wise and understand they are taking a free signal from YouTube. So there is always a possibility that they might fail. So again, I highly advise you, my friends, to actually analyze the market by yourself. If your analysis matches mine, then it's okay to take the trade. And of course, just like any other business in the world, Forex is very risky. So we have to be always careful about how we are trading gold, especially gold. Anyway, this signal also might fail. Again, this is just a disclaimer. So please guys, trade this signal with the minimum lot size and consider that there is always a possibility it might fail. So, sorry for this bad intro, but I had to be clear. Anyway, I actually have sent a signal to buy the gold from 2591. And as you can see, the market already hit the take profit level. Actually, the take profit level is right here. So this signal hasn't been triggered, but at least it hit the take profit level. So now what's next with the gold? That's the big question. Now let's move to the weekly chart. So now weekly chart here showing us that the gold is still actually respecting that level of a key support trend line, as you can see right here. So the candle is still full and there is still about 3 days for this week to expire. So as you can see right now, what we can see right here is actually a previous level of a support. So now maybe many of you will think that this is a good time to sell the gold, as actually it's retesting the broken level of a support. Well, that doesn't really work in this case. Why? Because the gold is moving in a very strong upper trend. When the trend is moving an upper trend, obviously of course, when the momentum is bullish and there's an upper trend, most likely the broken levels of a support will not become as a resistance. The market will most likely break out from it. This is actually working only if the market is moving on a downtrend and you can see a broken level of a support. Then it's going to be fine to trade the broken level of a support. Then the market most likely will continue the fall. But on upper trend, that doesn't work most of the time. So I'm not really looking to short the gold. I'm actually looking to long it. Why? Because the market actually has made here a bullish breakout from the support exactly right here at 2606. As you can see, this is of course a critical level, 2600, and the gold has actually fooled us thinking that it made a bearish breakout from that level, but nope, it actually continued the rise, broke out again from 2600 as a bullish breakout. So now most likely now the gold will continue the rise. In my opinion, and based on daily chart, the gold will continue the rise till it reaches the resistance right here at 2684. After that, maybe we can look to short the gold, as if we're having here of course a head and shoulders pattern. And also right here we can see on daily chart a real level of a support trend line that indeed has been broken out from with this bearish breakout candle. So I'm expecting actually from the gold now to continue the rise till it retests the broken level of a support trend line. So meaning the gold most likely now will continue the rise till it reaches the resistance right here exactly at 2661, even higher than that actually, maybe here. Let me just be precise, exactly at 2667. So that actually might be our take profit level. We are actually expecting from the gold to continue the rise to another 330 pips. But now the question is, where exactly is the best level to buy the gold? Now, after identifying the direction based on weekly and daily chart, this is what we do. Weekly and daily chart to confirm the direction of the market. Then now let's move to the 4-hour time frame, or even 1-hour time frame, or even 30-minute time frame, just to find the entry where exactly we can place our buy order precisely. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame. Now here is the trick. What I can see right here in the 4-hour time frame is let's go back to the daily chart. I would like to show you something. Now many of you might think that we can actually buy the gold exactly at this level of a support. But this is the problem here, that this is actually a fake breakout. Remember, I'm on the daily chart. So this is of course here a fake breakout. Then where is the real level of the support? It actually lies exactly right here at 2623. This is, my friends, here the real level of a support and then a fake breakout. And now we can expect from the market to actually respect this level of a real support. Why? Because here after the bearish breakout happened, the market failed to create a single attempt of a resistance, instantly broke out from that level, and now most likely it will respect the same level of a real support. Now to see that clearly, let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now here is the 4-hour time frame. We can see clearly that the gold has already here reversed yesterday and created a support number 1. So most likely we can wait for the gold to fall again and respect the same level and create a support number 2. But we need more confirmations. So by looking at this level of a support, to be precise, exactly like this at 2624. Now we can see it. Now we can see here clearly a real level of a support and then a fake breakout happened from that level. And pay attention. Guess what? A resistance. Not only a resistance, a support. So the market is actually not even respecting the fake breakout at all. It just focused on the real levels of a support. And now we need some sort of confirmation on that. So let me just take you through it. So I would like first of all to find in the history if I can. Perfect. So here we have, of course, an example I would like to apply now and show to you. Here, for example, we have a real level of a support trend line. Check this out. So a real level of support trend line faced with the one major fake breakout, then instantly the market respected the same level of a real support trend line. It did not respect the fake breakout. No, it focused on the real level of a support trend line. Now we can apply the same strategy or the same method exactly right here at the current time. So here, of course, we can see clearly that we had a support trend line from the bottom, as you can see exactly sharply like that. Yes, fantastic. Now here we have a support trend line, support trend line, support trend line. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. Oops, 1 second. What happened here? Let me just make it accurate as much as possible. Exactly. So now here we have another support trend line, then one major fake breakout. Why it's a fake breakout? The market has failed to create a single attempt of a resistance trend line. It's not there. Then now we can expect from the market to fall again and reach the same level of a real support right here. And we can expect maybe a small drawdown just in this area right here, this very narrow area, to retest the support trend line. And after that, the gold most likely will continue the rise. Actually, judging from the support trend line, let me just make sure it's accurate and correctly drawn here. Actually, I might actually even change my entry to be right here at the lower level of a real support, which actually, maybe this is a better entry, to be honest. Here exactly, at the same level of a real support, it became here a broken level of a resistance. And right here also we can see that this is the bottom of the real support. Yeah, that actually might be somehow a better entry. We can expect a drawdown of like 90 pips maximum. But after that, the gold most likely will continue the rise, considering also that we had right here, of course, a broken structure. And the gold has already retested the same level as a new support. So therefore, I don't expect from the gold to fall below this level of a support. Most likely it will continue the rise above it. And for the last confirmation and final one, we can use now the Fibonacci retracement. And check this out. So our entry is actually at Fibonacci 50. Actually, I'm really confident with this entry. I would like to make my Fibonacci entry, my entry at Fibonacci 50, 2623. We can get ready for a small drawdown. Actually, even this one, I'm trying to fix my lines to make it accurate. This actually feels better. Let me just go to the daily chart. Yeah, daily chart looks fine. 1 hour time frame. Sorry guys, I'm just thinking loudly. I'm just thinking loudly here. Actually, this is even better. I'm matching my line here with this level of a support trend line, and it became here a resistance trend line. Then, yeah, that actually sounds good. That sounds good. We can actually place our buy order right here. Now for the last and final confirmation, which I can see right here, right now, is the support trend line. I think I can see it, right? Yes, fantastic. Here we have another support trend line, faced a major fake breakout, barely was able to create a very small resistance trend line, then instantly been broken out from. And pay attention, we have here support trend line number 1, support trend line number 2. So the gold actually has a chance to fall again. Hopefully it will respect the same level of a support trend line and then continue the rise. Yes, I feel actually confident about this signal. Hopefully it will work well. Now for the take profit level, back to the 4 hour time frame. Our take profit level, my friends, has got to be right here at the previous level of a resistance right here exactly. Exactly, yes. At 2,665, expecting around 400 and let me just be sure, 420 pips of profit, and the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the bottom of the fake breakout right here at 2,605, which will be ranging for around 180 pips, which is really good actually, guys, compared to the take profit level, which is almost 400 pips, 420 pips. Let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, on the gold. And again, the gold, guys, is very hard to trade. We are doing here the best we can to find these good signals for you. So please, guys, trade the signal with the minimum lot size and consider that it might actually fail. And if this one failed, then hopefully the week after is going to be a profitable one. And also don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. If I notice the market moving against our direction in a bearish movement, I will update you right here on Telegram to close the signal in a partial loss or even a partial profit. So make sure to join us right here. You can find the link in the description below of this video, or you can just simply here click it, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can find the link, and hopefully you will join the group and we can see you there. Stay connected to Xtreme Trader team. We are also sending here one free gold signal every day, and you can also get to join our premium gold signal channel, which actually we are sending scalping gold signals. And if you guys have if I sent here a signal on YouTube and it failed, however, on YouTube here, on Telegram here, it's actually working well, hopefully, and we will recover any losses happened on Telegram. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.